So welcome to the Husky Muster. The idea behind it was that it's a tribute to the heritage of Husqvarna. So we're here at Classic Weekend 2026 and we've gathered every single Husqvarna that is on the premises. We've put them all here in one spot and basically lined them all up for all the people to see. The Husky Muster is just sensational.
Craftsmanship in the hand, built nature of each bike.
I'm Ray Barnes from Husqvarna Australia, and we're very happy to be here supporting Classic Weekend. We put out a small note to let people know we were going to do a muster on the Friday, and we've had over 55 bikes that have been bought out today, and it's impressive. It's cool.
We'll get our old bikes out and then we laugh at each other when we can't start them, and you know, it's just good fun atmosphere with a bunch of great blokes.
Oh yeah, awesome. So I've got an 83 Husky 250 that I've taken about 2 years to get right and put it all back to standard, and now it's a really great bike.
Terrific also to be able to gather with like-minded Husky people. We've got all sorts of age groups here, younger guys, older guys, all enjoying the Husky experience.